Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm gonna share with you how I do scrubbing on my face, as well as few tips and tricks for your face. So, as you must know that I have oily and acne prone skin. Right now my skin is somewhat okay. There is no pimple, although I got one whitehead yesterday and I popped it up, so that's why it left a scar. Let's begin my skincare routine. Let's see how I do scrubbing on my face. Before scrubbing, I like to face wash my skin using lukewarm water. These days I'm using clean and clear face wash. Next, I damp my skin so that my scrub will go smoothly. I'm using rose water. You can use tap water, chilled water, filtered water, any kind of water, whatever you like. Okay, today I'm using Everyu cherry chocolate scrub. This one is good scrub because it's tanning removal. I take generous amount of product and rub it on my skin on circular motion. Scrubbing should always be done in circular motion only. There is no need of any other step. Oily skin people can do scrubbing for 5 to 6 minutes with bit pressure. Acne prone skin should also do scrubbing for 5 minutes but without pressure. Dry and normal skin can do scrubbing for 3 to 4 minutes, and for sensitive skin 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. Okay, this scrub is very thick in consistency. That's why I need again and again to damp my face by using rose water. So you can do it like this. Scrubbing should be done twice a week for dry and normal skin, and for oily and acne prone skin thrice a week, and for sensitive skin once a week is enough. Why I said to use lukewarm water before face wash and scrubbing? Because it will open our pores and thus help the product to get into our skin and pull out the dirt and dust and tanning and patches spots from our skin. It deep cleanse our skin. And to finish any skincare routine, any skincare regime, use cold water so that your open pores get closed, because hot compression opens our pores and cold compression closes our pores. When I do scrubbing, I always cover my lips too. I always scrub my lips too at the same time with the same scrubber, to save time. Scrubs are usually differentiated on the basis of three factors. First one is your skin type. Second is size of beads, like small beads or large beads. Third, soft beads or strong beads, hard beads. Personally, I like to use large and hard beads scrubbers. I don't like soft and small beads scrubbers. And for acne prone skin, you should use small beads, soft beads scrubber. If you are not using pack after scrubbing, then finish it with a toner and moisturizer. Always close your pores after scrubbing using toner. If you don't use toner after scrubbing, it will gives you open pores and thus gives you more skin problems like acne, pimples, scars. So here I'm using Neutrogena blackheads removing toner and plum moisturizer, that is matte moisturizer, good for oily and acne prone skin. So guys, I hope you like this video and find it helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and share my video. Do share it as much as you can. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you will get my video notification. If you have any request, any query, just let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you soon. Take care of your skin and leave your queries. Bye bye.